Hi and welcome back to my channel. My name's Erica and today is new pattern release day. So I'm really excited because it is of course a Christmas pattern time and they are my favorite patterns of all. And this year I am happy to introduce Frannie's Tree Farm. This is a really fun and definitely beginner friendly quilt pattern, and it is fat quarter friendly and jelly roll friendly. This quilt finishes at about 75 by 75, so it's a nice size quilt, perfect for snuggling up under the couch or hanging on a wall or even decorating your bed. It features these really cute scrappy houses, and these are definitely fat quarter friendly. I used fat quarters, like I said, about 6 different colors just to make them fun and festive. And then of course you need a little bit more yardage for those rooftops, but it is just so cute and these houses come together really fast. It also features some jelly roll friendly Christmas trees, and these are adorable. Now these are a little bit different than my normal Christmas trees. They don't have those standard 45-degree angles, so the pattern is very clear on how to assemble these. They're really easy, but one little tip I have for you is to use a little bit of Mary Ellen's Best Press on your fabric before you cut it out. That way you won't have stretching, because you will be working on bias seams for these trees. And then just to make it more unique, I went ahead and had some fun with the border. So instead of just a plain old standard border, I went ahead and added some fun pinwheels to all 4 corners, and then I extended out that skinnier green border to frame those pinwheels, and I just think it looks so cute. I also wanted to add a little pop to the center of the quilt, so I did some fun pinwheel sashing. There's 9 cute little pinwheels in here that just I think really bring everything together. This entire quilt was made using fig tree fabrics. This is from their new Christmas stitched line, and it is just so much fun. And then for the white background, I used my standard Moda Bella 9900-97. It's just a nice, soft, creamy white, but that line does come with a white on white print that you could use as well. For the larger border on this quilt, I used a really fun print from this line called Snow and Multicolored Pine Cones. It's just a really sweet little Christmassy print. I think it turned out perfect. And then for the binding, I used this fun red print. It's called Little Schoolhouse. Then on the backing, I used their multicolored Grandma's Sampler print. I think it was just such a fun backing print. And of course I had to add a label. This is a personalized label I got from my Sweetwater subscription. It is so cute, and you can order them on their website. You can also have, they also have a subscription you can join where they'll send you labels monthly. This one I think I ordered from their website, and then I just outlined it in some white fabric just to make it pop a little bit, and then some red fabric that matched that binding. For the quilting, I did do my quilting on my long arm, and whenever I'm doing quilting, before I start on my actual quilt, I like to draw out my designs just to see and get an idea of what I'm going to be doing. And I really wanted to do some Christmas trees, but I could not get it to work out. So instead I opted for these really fun holly leaves and snowflakes. They were really easy to do and I had a lot of fun doing it. I went ahead and just did an overall design on this one, and I think it was just so much fun. It was really fast actually to quilt, and I love how it turned out. And that's it for this year's Christmas quilt. I hope you guys enjoyed as much as I do. Now of course you can get your own fabric for this, but Catching Stitches is also doing quilt kits for me. And then I will be doing a giveaway for this quilt pattern in my holiday gift guide this year as well, so stay tuned for that. And if you're wondering what these adorable ornaments are right here on this cute tree behind me, these are my classic stitchy and quilty ornaments for this year. You've probably all already seen them. I will put links on where you can get those below. And we do have a sew along going on for these as well, so make sure to follow me on Instagram or Facebook. All the information for that sew along is there. So that's going to be it for me today, guys. I hope you enjoy this quilt pattern as much as I did. It's so fun to put together. It's definitely beginner friendly and for sure a holiday favorite. So thanks for hanging out with me today. If you like this video, please make sure to thumbs up and subscribe. You can also hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming fun. Thanks for joining me today, and I will see you next time. So I'm really excited because, hang on. And then for the backing, I really did, for the border, I did use this fun print by, wait, hang on, what is it called? Snow Multicolored Pine Cones. Then I extended out the, please stop.
That's it? That's such a short video.
And then really quickly, if you're wondering what these adorable ornaments are here, these are my classy,
Whoa! Ladies and gents, this is what filming in the Arndt family is like, boy.
Special thanks to my quilt holder here who is working hard to make these shots possible.